morning. Well, it's evening now. I just got back from Walmart. I've got a new recipe that my daughter sent me, so I'm going to make that today. I've got some cherry tomatoes, some bagel, and some Parmesan cheese. And I needed some coffee creamer. I needed some stewed tomatoes and soy sauce. And I've got another recipe that calls for chicken broth. I needed some milk. I needed some. The recipe I'm going to make today is got cheese ravioli in it. It's all vegetable. And I've got some bread, and I've got some asparagus spears, and I've been buying chicken salad every day, and that's what I got today. But this is my haul today. But that's y'all. If y'all like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video. And y'all, thank you so much. And y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.